Welcome back. Unit 11 now. The following dot plot shows the number of wild cards in each of Samson's deck of cards. Each dot represents a different deck, which is the following: the typical number of wild cards in all the decks. So 2 seems to be most probable. Which dataset could be represented by the blocks plot below? Okay, so the median is 19. So D is wrong. Minimum is 12, max is 24, so it's either C or A. So C has a little bit more variant. It has its first quartile is 17 and not 15. So this should be the majority of the data. So 15, 15, 6, 7, 22. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 17, 17, 15. There's just not enough data on the lower end. How did you answer that? First quartile is 15. Cool, next question. Below is the number of hours that Trev works during each of his 8 shifts. Create a histogram. So we have from 0 to 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got official live. 6, 2, 1. That's 8, 5, 8. Yay, thank you, my lord. Elaine often gets hit by birds when she goes jogging. Poor Elaine. Maybe she's the plane. Elaine the plane. Hashtag GoFundMe Elaine the plane. Elaine often gets hit by birds when she goes jogging. The frequency table below shows the number of birds that hit her during each jog this week. Using the data, create a data plot where each dot represents a jog. So this is 1, 3, 1. On one jog, 0 jogs, 2 jogs, so on a cat gave birth to 3 kittens who each had different weights between 47 and 147 and 159 grams. Then the cat gave birth to a 4th kitten that weighed 57 grams. How will the birth of the 4th kitten affect the mean and median? So decrease the mean and decrease the median. Both the mean will decrease more because the median is going to go from like 150 to 147. So that's the delta of 3 instead of a delta of like 30. Find the mean. So 0 plus 3 plus 6, that's 9. 9 over 3 is 3. Thank you. Antonia wondered, at Minnesota Zoo, do spider monkeys typically weigh more than owl monkeys? So we have, at a certain place, does this typically, I mean, you'd have a difference of means, which is by definition, I think, with variability, yeah. Find the mean absolute deviation. I haven't heard of that. Mean absolute deviation of the picture graph below. So the average absolute deviation. Mean absolute deviation. So let's see, it's the sum of x, sum of the top one and bottom one, all divided by the n number of data points is n minus 1. Let's go back. Images. So yeah, it's the sum of x minus x, so x1 minus x plus x2 minus x, where x is the mean. So take the average, then subtract the mean from each observation, then take the absolute value, then add all of those and divide by number of observation. Okay, I see. Each is the mean. So we have our mean of one black ball here. So 2, so that's 6, 7 basketballs, I believe. So the mean is, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, 8, 8, 6, 6, so 7. So 7's the mean, so subtract mean from each observation. So 7 minus 4, we get 3, comma, 1, comma, we're taking the absolute value, so it's fine. 1, 10, 10, so that's also 3. Makes sense. So 4, 7 minus 4, 10, 10, 1, 1. I believe that. Then add together, and then take the mean of all of those. So mean of all of those is also 2. So we have 3 plus 1, so that's 8 over 4 is equal to 2. So we take the mean, the delta, it's the mean of the delta of the means. So you take the average, and then find the delta between that and the data point, and find the average of the deltas. Okay. Here's a data plot showing the daily high temperature of Egon, Idaho in July. Which of these best describes the shape of the distribution? Normal. Roughly symmetrical. The following data points represents the local number of pictures that Kai has published in each of the local newspapers. Using this data, create a frequency chart. To the newspapers, 1, 0, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 6. High schoolers in Orange County. Half of the high schoolers in Orange County have more than what number of band members? Have more than 105. Yeah. Which display makes it clear that none of the albums had 15 songs? The first. The dot plot. The box plot. This is a box plot, this is a dot plot. Yay. Each dot. Also changed my name to What the Photon instead of Sir Hoban Wreck. Anyway, each dot in the following dot plot represents the number of jokers in one of Marcy's deck cards. Find the interquartile range. So that's mean 1.25. See, so we have 2 times 5, so that's 10, 1, the interval quartile range, it's 3. Give me a second. IQR formula. I think they use a 1.25, yeah. Lower 1.25. No. The median. Find the median. And then quarter 1 minus quarter 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You find the mean or median. So the median is going to be 2, right? The first quartile is the median of the data points to the left of the order. So that's the median is 0. Second one, the median is 3.5. Or no, it's not necessarily. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 10, 1, 2, 1, 2. So here, 1, 1. So 0.5. 0.5. And we have 2. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 2.5. 2.5. Is that correct? Median is 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It might actually be 1. Am I confusing myself? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. This is the median right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would be 0.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2.5. IQR is that 2.5 minus 0.25. That's 2. Calculator. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. How many houses are in Princeton Street? The number of houses, 4 plus 7 plus 9. 4 plus 7 plus 9 plus 4 again plus 1. that's 25. 8, 10, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. Thank you. Thank you, my Christ. If the mean is 6, find the number of coins. Average is 6. So we can say this gets knocked off, and so the average has to be 5. Okay. Yay. Seth. I know I have a buddy called Seth, named Seth. Seth wants to describe the number of guess distribution in terms of clusters, gaps, and peaks. Which of these statements could Seth use? Zero to 40 guess. No. None of the above. Thank you. The following bar chart shows the distance run by Jay's family in a race. What is the median distance? 8, 4, 4. So the median is going to be so I have to order these. Mama's at 4, Jay's at 5, Mom, Jay. Let's see, my buddy Sue. I guess would be my woman Sue. And then, what's it? Mom's at 11. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 divided by 2. You get 6.5. We'll find the median. Right, so we have distance between 5 and 8. 13, 6.5. Yay. Very pretty music. Next we'll do part 2. Bye-bye.